welcome to Tanya LTV. I have prepared for you today a veggie linguine. It is super good. I got lots of veggies. If you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching and I got you covered. Alrighty, so I'm giving a special shout out to Ashley TR. Thank you so much for your support. I reached out on one of my social medias and I asked, what do you want to see me cook? And she made that suggestion. So I want you to know it's coming and it will be on the menu soon. All right, guys, let's get started. Okay, let's start with the noodles first. I'm adding my Himalayan salt to the water for my linguine noodles and also minced garlic. Now, the reason for me doing this is because whatever you boil in that water with the noodles, honey, it's going to give it more flavor. I'm all about layers. Alrighty, and I'm just peeling the skin off of my zucchini, and you'll see me chop it right in half. I'm just doing it the easy way, honey. Make it in fours and just slice those in half, and voila, it's on to the next step. You want to snap your linguine noodles in half, and that's a good look, and we'll let those boil. All right, while that's cooking, I'm going to begin slicing my bell pepper. Now these are just 3 easy slices, and you hold it on the side. Keep it upward because it's so much easier. All right, now we're gonna add my homemade butter. If you don't know how to make your homemade butter, please check out a video. I will leave it in the link below and up top. Next, you'll add your portobello mushrooms. Yes, honey, they're gonna marinate in flavor. Add your green peppers and your zucchini. Yummy. So you just want to give that a good stir around. Let all the butter get through it. Yummy. Add your minced garlic. And you're going to want to give that a good stir. Let all the flavors marry one another. Next, I'm adding shallots, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now we're cooking with flavor, honey. I'm going to stir that around. Stir, stir, stir. And I'm adding paprika. It's actually smoked paprika with chipotle seasoning as well. Add your heavy whipping cream. And now we are oozing with flavor. Okay, so I've drained my noodles, and when they're shaky like this, they're ready. All right, let's plate it up. Yummy. Look at these veggies, you guys. This dish was super delicious. I really enjoyed this. Let's get that last little bit. Yum. All right, I have my grater, and I am grating smoked Gouda over this. You guys, if you haven't tried smoked Gouda cheese, please make sure you do. It makes any dish so flavorful. All right, that is my close-up. Doesn't that look good? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to dig in. It looks absolutely delicious. It tastes delicious. But guess what, guys? I'm not done. You need a carrot next. And I'm going to grate this carrot right over this dish. It's veggie linguine. We got to have plenty of veggies, honey. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so good. Okay, next you're going to add your lemon pepper seasoning. That is my final touch, guys. It is so good. Yum. Well, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video. I am getting ready to indulge. And remember, Tanya LTV always cooks with flavor, honey. So let's go. Let's give it our test run. Yummy. Let's get some veggies on here. Yes, honey. This is so delicious. You guys have to try it. It's so good. All right, guys. Until next time. Bye.